Good morning. The another controversial subject in criminal side was uh, filing complaints, private complaint, approaching police, approaching central crime branch, approaching other branches of district crimes, giving a criminal color to civil cases. And other side rushes to High Court. The High Court, even initially they filed application for anticipatory bail, and Justice K.N. Basha used to grant bail after going through the complaint if the prima facie material seems to be civil in nature. But later on, other judges had taken view because this is a subject of unrest in the society. Taking advantage of grant of anticipatory bail, everybody want to deceive the other side, not keeping the promise. See, the entire system of judiciary functions on promise. That means affidavit. Court of records means that everybody either should file an affidavit or a declaration, verification petitions. Only on that basis the court records are being recorded and stationed. That is law of court records. So if there is violation, the question of contempt arises. So this way, when normally when there was a promises and a breach of promises there, and the one gang particularly always used to cheat the main dealers, wholesaler, by receiving by just renting a room, saying that dal brokerage merchant, rice merchant, then they book bulk order, those who are aspiring suppliers, resell it to the down rate and enrich themselves. These cases are not only, it's not civil in nature, but while arguing the case, it is expectable that the counsel for the accused must argue it's a civil nature, supply of goods, contract, and all these things. There is other material factor has to be noticed by the court, that whether there was a mens rea at the initial stage itself. So now I want to discuss a judgment wherein the Supreme Court has held that this is purely civil nature. And before that, I will read the facts of the case which will help you how the business is developed globally and all the other things. It will be helpful for you. AR 2017 Supreme Court 3656 Medme LLC and other versus HOS BPO Solution, IHORS, HOS BPO Solution Private Limited. See, the case was 482 CRPC and 420 IPC. The fact was the appellant is a company incorporated under the laws of United States of America, having a head office in New York, that engaged in a business of offering database services internationally for the last several years. Then other office bearers are there. The respondent company is Indian company having research Puducherry. It engaged in business of providing quality knowledge based back and works and software solution to various enterprises in the world from its center based in India. So there was an agreement for supply of that, and subsequently there was a breach of payment. About 3,16,513 dollars was due. Only 2 lakhs and odd was paid, and 10 lakhs is due. 1 lakh dollar is due, I think so. Okay. Then thereafter there was a compromise. Second agreement was executed. Second agreement contains arbitration clause. Despite that, when arbitration notice was issued, the other side seems to have stated that initially arbitration Justice Mohan Ram was appointed as a arbitrator. Thereafter, what had happened? They have informed that they have already filed a criminal complaint, and that was case registered for 420, 406, 409 read with 120B Indian Penal Code. It did not lift any provisions offences against the property. I do not know. Then they have challenged under 482 CRPC. The High Court, unfortunately, they held that whether 420 is constitutable, pending of arbitration, whether criminal case can be set in motion, whether the inquiry was conducted under section 202 CRPC if the accused are residing outside the jurisdiction of court. These things are there. The High Court has held that the case is not liable to be quashed. Then they are directed to proceed with the trial. But the Supreme Court has said it seems to be very clear that it is a purely civil transaction, and they have stated the ratio was that agreement was entered with fraudulent or dishonest on the part of the applicant, inducing the respondent to enter into such contract. So right from the beginning, there was an inducement even to enter into contract. Then only 420 arrests. They have set aside the High Court order and quashed the proceedings and allowed the arbitration to proceed with that. This is what that Justice Duraisamy Raju, D. Raju, then Supreme Court judge, was subsequently appointed as an arbitrator by the Honorable Chief Justice. Under arbitration, Chief Justice is liable to be, he is empowered to appoint arbitrator if both the parties, though there is an arbitration clause, and both the parties are not inclined to appoint as stated in the agreement, then the High Court of the concerned state has got power to appoint any judge, any persons as an arbitrator. Even I am also entitled to be appointed as an arbitrator because I have completed postgraduate diploma in alternative dispute ADR resolution. Very long year with high marks, but I do not want to waste all those time and for these cases, because I am attending a poor man cases and layman cases. My conscience says that I should help. If I go to this high standard of practice, then nobody is there, even upcoming juniors also not interested to help the poor people, because their style of life, way of life is something different. Everybody, 70% of the new coming lawyers want to earn and live aristocrat. That is their duty, but I am not finding fault with them. And I have, when I have knowledge of within my knowledge, I have noticed several advocates are only interested to get justice to the poor rather running after the money, and money ran after them. That I have witnessed. Okay, that's all right. I hope you understand the concept of the judgment. That the agreement should be at prima facie deceptive in nature. Therefore, then only the criminal. So this is a very good playground for the lawyers to exercise their knowledge, exercise their logical intuition and other intelligence, prudence, everything, so that they give you a apt color to bring the civil in criminal platform. West Hills.